So hello. How are y'all doing? I hope everybody is doing good. When you come in, can you please give me that thumbs up so my videos could get into the algorithm? Please. And it'll be able to get out to more people. So I broke my fast about 30-40 minutes ago with 2 ounces of chicken breast. And now I'm going in to eat the rest of my dinner. So I have here some pan-seared chicken thighs, I'm sorry. Look at that juice. It's good too. I got some micro salad. This is a cup. I got 4 ounces of squash and eggplant mixture. And then I have over here 4 ounces of sweet potatoes that I cut up, put them in the oven with some vegan butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla flavor. I use coconut sugar. And mix it all around. Put the vegan butter oil on top of it and put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. And I ain't even pray. Let's see the sweet potatoes. And then over here is my protein smoothie. I have my collagen in here along with my whey protein. I have 1.5 ounces of blueberries in here, about 2 ounces of blueberries in here, my flax seeds, and all of that. And I have to come and talk to y'all about how my fasting is going, but I want to eat before I get too late. So this is dinner. Cut up some chicken, microgreen salad, some vegetables, that, and this. And I'll be back. Peace. Hey. Happy Saturday. I hope everybody's having a good Saturday, a good weekend. I'm going to try my hand at some gumbo. I saw a recipe by a young lady on Instagram who posts, she's on her, weight loss. She does keto, low carb, healthy eating. And so the recipe wasn't intense where you got to be making roux and, all this other stuff. So I said I'd give it a try. I had a lot of the stuff, mostly all of the stuff already. And so I have my shrimp right here. I got from Trader Joe's. I didn't have, I guess, andouille, but I had this on hand. So it's all cut up by Garrett's Valley. I like all of their stuff, their bacon, their paleo sausage and stuff like that. So I had this on hand. And then my chicken thighs, they're cut up, they're seasoned. I seasoned them with salt and some adobo, because this adobo has multiple seasonings in it. You don't have to be pulling out onion, garlic, this, that, and the other. So you got sea salt, organic garlic, organic onion, black pepper, oregano, bay leaf, and turmeric. So I really like that adobo. I did sprinkle some olive oil, maybe like a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil on here. And then I have avocado oil in my Dutch oven. So I'm going to throw this on and cook that first. You have right here 3 tablespoons of butter. You have 5 celery stalks. I put all of this in my food processor. You got 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper. That's the butter that I use. crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of bone broth you need, pick your choice, and these are all of the seasoning. I got parsley, Cajun Creole seasoning, adobo, salt, thyme, basil, and red pepper. So let me put this stuff on and I will come back in a minute. So I cooked my chicken until it's no longer pink. Now I'm gonna add my vegetables. So I'm about to go to the next step. My vegetables in here, they're soft. I put some salt, adobo, a tad of red pepper, and the Cajun seasoning. Now I'm about to put in the broth and the crushed tomatoes. So I added in the beef broth and the crushed tomatoes. I also seasoned it a lot more to my liking. You season to your liking. And then I'm gonna just let this simmer for 5 minutes before I add the butter and the sausage. And then go from there. But it tastes good. So far, so good. So I just added the sausage and the butter. And I'm gonna just let this simmer for like 20 minutes. And then the last step will be to add the shrimp, since those are already kind of look like they're cooked. So it's coming along, it's coming along. So now I'm gonna make a little salad. So I got an heirloom tomato, cucumber, onion, avocado, a Meyer lemon. I love these lemons. These are really the only kind of lemons that I use, as long as they're cooking lemons and anything you want to use them for. I get them at Sprouts. And then I got this Parmesan cheese. This is the lettuce that I'm using. And then this is our salad dressing. Here's my salad. I just drizzled a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on it. And I got my avocado, cucumbers, a little heirloom tomato, an onion, and I'm gonna mix it up. There you go. I also put a little bit of pepper in here. And so just wait for everything else to cook. So here I am, it's finished. Got your chicken right here. I didn't put much of any shrimp in there, but I put maybe 1 or 2 somewhere in here. But it's pretty good. There we go. And then I got my salad with my dressing. So try this recipe. Let me know what y'all think. I think it came out pretty good. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. Peace.